Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year. It is 2023 and I am super excited about this year and this year even for your life. So right from the outset, we're going to speak over our lives for this year and declare that this year is going to be an amazing year, that this year is going to be your year. So when you're ready, repeat after me. I'm so happy and grateful that this year is going to be my year, that this year is going to be the best year yet, 2023. I'm attracting everything I need to be successful in every area of my life. I am a winner. I have a winner's mindset, and I declare this is going to be the best year ever, the best year of my life. I am open and worthy to receiving all of the goodness, and I believe that I am worthy of receiving all of the goodness over my life this year. I speak it, I declare it, and I'm so happy and grateful for it. So yeah, be speaking that over yourself every single day until you believe it. And if you don't believe it at this particular moment, that's okay. Speak it until you believe it, and then your belief will create the fact. So yeah, let's get started with the topic. But today, basically what I wanted to talk to you about was, I know that you've probably got your New Year's resolutions down already, but I just want to throw in there a little good vocal habit that you can be doing daily. There's just, something else to add on to your New Year's resolution to help your voice just stay in the best place possible. So let's just talk about it. So if you're a professional voice user is anybody that uses their voice for work purposes for a living, and that can be a singer, an actor, a voiceover narrator, a teacher, a speaker, a coach, basically any of these. And there's probably so many more that I'm missing out that I just can't really think of right now. But if you do any of these things for work and you're finding that your voice is getting fatigued and tired really quickly, then just building in the daily habit of strawing several times a day for 2 to 3 minutes is really going to be beneficial for you. So let me just show you what you can do on a daily basis to really help your voice stay in good shape and not tire out so quickly. So first of all, you have the pitch glides, which is just going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note and back down again. Remember, you don't actually have to be a singer to do this. You're just going from a comfortable low note to a high note. So you're going to pop the straw in your mouth and you're just going to go You can go as high or as low as you feel comfortable. So you're going to do that for around 2 to 3 minutes. And then once you've done that, you can go on to the hills or accents, where you're just imagining that you're going over hills with the sound of your voice like this. You're engaging your abdominal muscles as well with this one. Then once you've done that for around 2 to 3 minutes, then you can take it to your favorite song and just have a little bit of fun with this. Take it to your favorite song. Even if you just straw through a verse and a chorus of your favorite song, then that will be amazing. The first person that guesses which song I just strawed and also comments gets a free vocal session with me. So building in this vocal habit and doing it several times on a daily basis is just really gonna reset and decompress your vocal cords as you go throughout the day, which is gonna stop your voice from getting tired quickly. I promise you, if you do it over time, it's really gonna make such a big difference. So build this habit in. It is amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the straw. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next video, which will be out next week. So stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and, you know, whatever else. Like the video, share the video with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. And yeah, I'll be putting out videos weekly again now that the Christmas break is over. But yeah, have an amazing start to your 2023, and I will see you next week, amazing people. Mwah.